So amazing. So what you're saying is that if something bad has happened in the past and that remembering that makes us angry, then it becomes difficult to think about the future positively. Then that's a very true thing. Uh, I appreciate the thoughtful question. Two things. See, uh, we can't choose our memories. Is what has happened in the past and the memories that you understand the word memories. What we remember. We can't choose our memories. What will go there inside us, but we can choose which memories we replay. Which memories we replay means that in our mind we can remember and something starts playing. So in our past bad things have happened, in our past good things have also happened. So maybe somebody hurt us terribly, but there are also people who are good to us, kind to us, friendly with us. So we can choose to replay the memories of people who are kind to us, people who are good with us. That way we won't be constantly angry. Now, having said that, if somebody has hurt us or somebody has been something bad has happened and we feel angry about that, then it's like sometimes we get an injury, get hurt, you get a cut, the pain, it's paining over there. So what happens after that injury heals, after that pain goes away, after that pain goes away, but sometimes a small scar may remain. You know the word scar? Scar means like I have a scar over here. So a scar may remain. So what happens is, if the scar is not, it's dried out, and there is no pain. So like that, what happens that sometimes from the past, the memory may remain, but the pain won't remain, the anger won't remain. How that happens is that we pray to Krishna, we chant Krishna's names, and we say that Krishna, this happened, but Krishna, you can bring some good out of it. Now that has happened, let me accept it. And we pray to Krishna, please help me to accept what happened. Now, if that person is still going to trouble us again and again, then we need to do something. We need to tell some elders, tell our parents, tell our teachers, whoever, so that that person can't hurt us again and again. But that person did something bad happened, that we pray that Krishna, you help me to accept it. And then you'll find that even if you remember that, it's like the wound is there, but it's a dry scar. Memory will be there, but the anger won't come. So two things: change the memories that you replay. Which memories? Remember good people who did some good things that happened to you. And when the memory of the bad thing comes, so that Krishna can bring some good out of it. So Krishna, help me to accept it. Help open me to see what good you will bring in the future. And that way, the memory won't cause so much pain or anger.
Thank you for answering my question.
Great question, Hare Krishna.
Two questions.
Really?
One of them is, why was